Look at how often your iPhone is collecting your data. You're going to be shocked.
Tap on Settings. From here, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down towards the bottom here and tap on App Privacy Report. And this is a privacy report. If you tap on Learn More, it basically tells you that what this report is all about. It shows how often apps access your data.
If you like this video, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button.
And what data. So I'm going to tap on Done. And from here, I can tap on Show All. And I'll tell you one that really shocked me. I tapped on Google right here and tapped on Location. And look how often Google is accessing my location, and I barely use that app. Tap back.
If you like iPhone tricks, here's 227 just for you.
Tap back again. And you can also not only go through each of your apps, you can tap back, and this will tell you all of the apps that accessed your data or sensors in the past 7 days, and then these apps that contacted domains, and then also the most contacted domains.
Here's a playlist with more iPhone videos, and once again, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button.